but this being the end of the year, very reflective and looking back. Perhaps you experienced it yourself. Comfort foods, we discussed a few weeks ago, being one of those trends that we've seen play out, no doubt expected to continue here as stress levels remain high, but it could be a big boost for companies, snack companies like PepsiCo, General Mills, and Kellogg's. And Yahoo Finance's Brooke DiPalma joins us now with more details on that. Brooke?
That's right, Zach. Americans have been snacking more than ever this year as we all continue to stay at home. And as those confirmed cases of COVID-19 see an uptick into the end of the year. Now, according to Frito-Lay, 66% of Americans actually keep more snacks in their houses compared to pre-pandemic levels. There's a few things that have to do with that. It's the fact that less people are going out to grocery stores. They want to limit their COVID-19 exposure. And in addition to that, they also, are looking for those sweet, salty indulgences as we're learning and working from home. This means a big boost for, like you mentioned, brands like General Mills and PepsiCo, Frito-Lay in particular, a PepsiCo subsidiary brand, saying that Tostitos sales in their last quarter saw double-digit growth. And now a similar story at Kellogg's behind brands like Cheez-Its and Pringles. The CEO telling us that in the fall months, people actually snacked more than compared to April and May and March as well. In addition to that, they're also reaching new households, seeing new customer growth as, people are heading to the grocery store more and less to dine out to eat. Now, in addition to that, as we make way into 2021, a few data intelligence firms are keeping an eye on close trends. One of those close trends are taste and enjoyment, looking for new exotic flavors as, less people are traveling to those exotic places. And in addition to that, less people dining out. And in addition to that, alternative food trends like Beyond Meat products, Impossible Foods, Oatly, another thing to keep close eye on as health and wellness, makes way into the new year.
Yeah, I have warmed up to Oatly. I have to say, Brooke, I've never been sort of an alternative milk person, but increasingly in my coffee, I do find myself reaching for the Oatly. You talked about the snacking trends. A lot of us sitting at home eating, everything you pointed to, not necessarily healthy, but you said there's also a comeback of 90s snacks. What specifically are we talking about?
Well, Akiko, you may remember over the summer, Dunkaroos made a huge comeback. They were actually widely successful. The launch of those products now being turned into a cookie dough product. And in addition to that, keep a close eye on General Mills seeing a huge boom in cereals as many of us stay at home. So there's going to be a Dunkaroos cereal. I'll definitely have to try it. I think it'll be a bit sweet, but I'm excited. Now, in addition to that, another product that we're seeing is Doritos actually making the comeback of their 1990s classic Doritos 3D Crunch. I've been dying to try these. But this was debuted in a Super Bowl commercial. Don't mind the static. And these are actually a 3D sort of puff edition of their Doritos. Definitely high in sodium, but really tasty. And these trying to capture the attention of Gen Z, millennials, especially on TikTok. It's a joke here.
Brooke, I think you're going to have to grab a cup of water, although since we're talking about junk food, go grab soda, right? What goes better with chips?
Absolutely.
I think I missed the 3D trend in the 90s, by the way. I'm going to have to go grab a bag because I have not tried those. But certainly making me hungry at this time of day. Brooke DiPalma with our snack trends going into 2021. Thanks so much for that.